Hi friends, I am Coderboy. In the last video, we learned how to make decisions using the if statement. Today we will learn two new tools that work with the if, else and else if. We will also learn how Python compares value. Let's start with else. An if statement runs when a condition is true. But if the condition is false, that's where else comes in. The else block runs whenever the if condition is false. Let's try it. Set age equal to 7. Now write if age is greater than or equal to 9, and inside the if block print, write your text here. Now close the quotes and close the bracket. Then add an else statement. Inside the else block print almost there. Now click run. Python checks the condition. Is 7 greater or equal to 9? It's not, so Python skips the if block. Instead, it runs the else block and our output text is almost there. That's great. Now let's learn about else if. ELIF, it means else if. It lets us check another condition if the first one is false. Now imagine we want three groups: less than 5 years, between 5 and 8 years, and 9 and above. Now we can write if age is less than 5, print too young to start. This is our text statement. Now, else if age is less than 9, print almost there. And for else, print ready to code. Now let's test it. Set age to 9 and click run. The output is ready to code. Now change the age to 6, run again, and the output is almost there. Now change the age to 3 and click run. The output is too young to start. Notice something interesting? We did not change the program, we only changed the value of age. Python looked at the value and chose the correct path. That's the power of if, else, and else. Now let's learn how Python compares value. Python uses special comparison operators. Double equals checks if two values are the same. For example, is 5 equal to 5? We will put double equal sign. The answer is true. We also have not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These comparison operators help Python make decisions. So remember, if checks the first condition, else if checks the another condition if needed, and else run when none of the earlier conditions are true. And comparison operators help Python decide which path to take. In the next video, we will learn about loops, which allow Python to repeat code again and again. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.